The interest in the Lectric XP Trike has far exceeded our expectations, so we wanted to do it justice and take it up our large hill climb test. And if you found any of our content helpful on the Lectric XP Trike, do us a favor and use our links down in the description before you make your purchase. It's a free and easy way to help support the channel and makes videos like this one possible. Thank you so much for your support. With that, let's take it up this hill. All right, let's do it. I have the speedometer app by Cool Nix here on my cell phone mount. For the first time ever, you can support me by buying e-bike accessories at shop.ebikeescape.com. This is the Elasto case. It's a perfect case for large phones like mine. Of course, we have the LCD screen by Lectric as well. We're just going to throttle up this hill. We'll put a picture of it on the screen because it looks so much smaller on the GoPro. We'll also put the specs of the hill. And we're getting up to that 13, 14 miles an hour. Keep in mind as we do this test, I am a lighter weight rider at around 145 or so pounds. Lectric display is showing 13.6, speedometer app is showing 13, and the hill is just about to get started. Now, since this is a mobility electric trike, a lot of people want to know what kind of hills it can handle. And riding this around quite a bit recently, I have no doubt that it's going to make it up this hill no problem. There's 12 miles an hour, 11, just cruising up the hill on throttle only. And that's by design, of course. Lectric really wanted to make sure that while the top speed is limited to 14 miles an hour, certainly capable of going faster than that, but for safety reasons, limited to 14 miles per hour, that the bike can still handle getting started on a hill, going up a big hill such as this one. And the performance really speaks for itself. I had the battery all charged up, tires pumped up, and the minimum speed was 11 miles per hour. Super impressive. And even starting from a stop, no problem getting started. And of course, you could pedal this as well to provide some of your own power. Here is the brake test going down the hill. Now, I am going to cut it off when I start to feel a little bit squirrely. Again, I do not recommend that you try this yourself because electric trikes above the 14 miles per hour, especially taking turns, can get a little sketchy. And yeah, I'm at 22 and I'm gonna slam on the brakes. No problem getting me to a complete stop. Really happy with these 5-star hydraulic disc brakes, of course with the parking brakes front and rear as well. Now, of course, the braking power is only going to be better going at a slower speed, and I do recommend using both of them. It's going to give you significantly more stopping power. Thanks for checking this video out. Remember to use our links down in the description before you purchase any electric model. It really helps us out. And also check out shop.ebikeescape.com if you're looking to purchase some electric bike accessories, and let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.